Hello guys, welcome to Amazon TV. I hope you're okay. Guys, before I play this video for you, I just want to take this opportunity to thank each and every one of you. Your support is amazing. I don't even know what to say, guys. I'm very grateful for everything you have done, not only to myself, but to other people, because I know you South Africans are amazing people. South African people, you are amazing. I see how you support everyone without discriminating their nationalities. But unfortunately, we were being called names even on top of that. I'm very proud of you guys. I've never seen a nation like you, South Africans, a nation that is so kind, so loving, so welcoming. But on top of that, you are being called names, you are being insulted everywhere. I don't know why. But what I want to say to you today is that God knows everything. Our God is not asleep, and He will surely intervene in our situation. That's the only hope we have, South Africans. Let's watch this video of clever people, guys.
Mzansi, sila e-Boksburg, but sinenkinga enkulu. I hope government will take this serious. Sinenkinga enkulu yama-high-tech buildings where mawufika edrobheni uyadlula, you think it's just a high-tech building, but there's a lot of activities that are happening inside. So we're here, sithola ama-drugs, niyabona kangakanani in this high-tech building. There's a lot of things okuncola okwenzakalayo kuma-high-tech buildings. And if we don't pay attention, one day sizozithola sisenkingeni. So we need to sukumeni siwumzansi, sukumeni siwu-government and start taking things serious. I'm pleading to the government of today to say, ama-high-tech buildings are the biggest problem because that's where criminality happens. And that's one of the things engizofocus kuwo mangingena ngothatha lo mshini ngitshela.
So you see what clever people are doing in a country of fools. This is how they are making money. This is how they are getting rich. After getting rich, insult South Africans of being fools. Why? Because we are not doing what they are doing. So you see how they are doing their businesses in South Africa. This powder is in South Africa to destroy the youth of South Africa. Then after that, they will come back and tell us that they are hard workers, we are lazy people. Then after using our children to enrich themselves and taking advantage of our spineless government, then they come back to insult us, telling us how lazy we are, how useless and foolish we are. Why? Because we are not doing all these things they are doing. Of course, we cannot do these things they are doing to our own country.
Economic freedom fighters, EFF. Yes. EFF iyafana nama-police. I was a police officer for 14 years. Bendisebenza apho esibhildini. Yakhutshwa into yokuba funeke ndifaselele ndingakwazi ukuthetha ngeli xesha ndibona uba ndiyitya. Nakhona enough enough. Yes, command. EFF iyafana namapolisa. Amapolisa emephana nje ayiva le ntlungu yethu. But ke ngoku there is a command ekuthiwa ngojonga aba bantu. Ngoba xa egqibophula laa uniform aphinde ekuhlaleni. Kulaa ndawo le-consonant isitya kuwo ayayiva. Kufuneka ngoku uya kubalandela i-economic freedom fighters. They need to be very careful. Ngoba bayayiva le ntlungu xa begqibothi viva stadium. Xa bebuya beyohlala phantsi back to i-society le bahlala kuyo bayifila le pain. So they must be very careful. They must not allow to be fooled by someone yena ona everything ebomini uhamba ne-bodyguards indlu yakhe. Ngiyayibona ingane kanjani edlala amakwelekwele. Baze bayifaka amamali. Hayi. Ngiyibona
This is one of their businesses that is making them rich in South Africa, selling our children, using our children to make money. What you just saw now is one of their businesses that is making them to thrive in South Africa, keeping young girls in their brothels.
Wazanesonungizwe. Asazoyithenga phi impahla. La usebehembi buka nonodoli baseyitolo. La ungizwe yazi umuntu uzohamba nqunu. Ngizongabi nazipahla.
Did you hear that? What were they wearing before these people arrived? You see the problem we have in this country. Foreigners are our problem, but our fellow South Africans who are unpatriotic are our biggest problem. I don't even know how to describe indlela abacabanga ngayo. What were they wearing before these people arrived? Why are they not realizing ukuthi we have a problem here? We used to buy clothes from South African shops. Where are they now? You see, that's a problem we have in this country, having South Africans who are behaving as if they are under the influence of something. So guys, let me know what you think on the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, to like and share the video. Love you guys. Bye.